here is how we can cut certain parts of a video on an iPhone. So let me show you exactly how you can make it work. If this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends on whether the part of the video is somewhere in the middle or if you want to cut out parts from the beginning or end. Because if that's simple, if you want to just trim it from the beginning or end, then you can open up the Photos app, go to the video and tap on edit, and then you can trim it from either side, and it's going to end up as a shorter video where you cut out some of the parts. But of course, if you want to cut out the middle portions, it gets a little bit more complicated as the built-in features are not going to get it done. So in this case, what you need to do is to download a third-party video editor. More options to pick from. Usually in my tutorials, I recommend people to get a CapCut because it works mostly for free, and for this, it's going to be enough. So you can open up the CapCut and import the clip into the timeline. So that means that the video is going to be right here, and what you need to do is to select parts of the clip using this like vertical line, then tap on the clip, choose split, and then move forward, split again, and you have like a middle portion of the video which you can select and of course delete. So this is where you need to be precise and decide where specifically you want to cut it, but that is the principle. That's how you can decide which parts of the video will be in the video and which will not, right? And of course, do not forget to tap the export button to make sure that the video actually saves in your gallery and it's going to be done, or it's going to be without the parts which you cut out. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to explain that very quickly. For more questions and similar tutorials, leave a comment below and subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you then.